I'm going to walk you through some of the most common types of router bits and show you what kind of profiles and cuts they can create in wood. Number one, the straight bit. This is a straight bit. It's your go-to for making clean, straight grooves, dados, and rabbets. Super useful for joinery and shelf dados. If you only own one bit, this is it.